Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course, I get regular questions about any update, any news, any speculations concerning Windows 12. Well, we knew that Windows 12 was pretty much not a thing this year, that's for sure. And we are now a little more than a month and a half away, from January 2026, a new year. But 2026 is going to be the interesting year where what could happen. One thing for sure is that we are at a time when Windows 11 is already pretty much halfway through its what is usually a 10-year cycle for Windows operating systems. And when we get there, we often get and start getting hints that something new is about to happen. And that hasn't really happened yet. We have hints of, 26H2. We know that this is a thing. Some people with Copilot Plus PCs and ARM processors, Snapdragon processors, will probably have a 26H1, which is unusual, two different separate things. But there's still no indication of anything that would be a Windows 12 that could have all sorts of looks. And, you look at something like this. I like there's several YouTube channels out there where they make concepts of what Windows 12 could be, and some are beautiful and just amazing. It all depends also on what you like as a concept, because a lot of people like, things to stay the way they are, and they're happy like that because they know their way around their PC. But, there are concepts like this one that I find beautiful, that I think, wow, would be just great to have. But yet, first of all, I think if there is a Windows 12, and even though there would be some changes, it still is going to look a lot more like a Windows 11 operating system than a Windows 12 with tons of new stuff in it. Yet, I don't know. There's what could happen in 2026 with end of support of Windows 10 for the regular user. That opens the door, because now Microsoft will only have Windows 11 to take care of, and that doesn't really happen much often, that Microsoft doesn't have at least two operating systems running together of different generations. Windows 10 getting an extra year, maybe that extra year is going to be used to develop Windows 12. Who knows? And what will Windows 12 be? And what will the minimum requirements of Windows 12 be? That's also good questions. But I think if there is a possibility, it's getting higher as we go, year after year. 2026, for me, would not be a surprising year for Windows 12. I know some people are speculating it would be better maybe 2027. But we are getting halfway into the 10-year life cycle, if they do give a 10-year life cycle to Windows 11, which means that we are probably close to something new. And 2026, we're in November 2025, and I'll give it a 60 to 70% chance that by November of 2026, something new might happen. I wouldn't be surprised, but who knows? They're keeping that secret really well. So what do you guys think? I'm asking a question. Do you think Windows 12, or whatever new Windows version is going to be called, will happen in 2026 or not? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.